Okay, so after using the Nothing Ear 1 for approximately 1 year and 2 months, unfortunately the right earbud actually stopped working. So I was actually looking for a decent pair of TWS, and since I had a fairly good experience with the Ear 1, I decided, you know what, let's give the Nothing Ear 2 a try. Now with that being said, let's move on to the unboxing experience, and we get a pretty similar packaging compared to the Nothing Ear 1. So yeah, opening the box is a one-time process. We just have to pull this paper tag, and we do not have any plastic on the box, which is actually pretty good. Now apart from that, inside the main packaging we get this silver box, and inside that the first thing we get is some paperwork which no one is going to read. Now apart from that, we get the case along with the earphones, and at the time of making this video there is only one color of the Nothing Ear 2, which is white color. But apart from that, we get a USB type C to type C cable, and by the way, this is a braided cable, which is always appreciated. And last but not the least, we get a couple of different ear tip sizes, and yeah, that's basically it for the unboxing process. Now by the way, pairing these earphones was a really seamless process. So just get into your Bluetooth settings. Now make sure that your earphone case is open, and then shortly you should see a pop-up message which will allow you to pair your earphones. And also I can say the same thing for integrating it with the Nothing X app. It was again a really seamless experience. And by the way, speaking about the Nothing X app, obviously it is feature rich. It has a ton of different features and settings you can play around with, but I would actually recommend you to click on the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now you need to look for something called as high quality audio, so just make sure to go ahead and enable this. So this will essentially enable the LHDC 5.0 codec, which is basically a high res codec. So this will actually make your music sound much more better, but there is a catch. Okay, so you see the LHDC 5.0 codec is a fairly new audio codec, and it's supported only in a limited amount of Android phones. But with that being said, here are 3 things which I noticed about the Nothing Ear 2 in my limited period of testing these. So first of all, the case of the Nothing Ear 2 are slightly smaller when you compare it to the Nothing Ear 1. Now apart from that, the ANC seems to have improved a bit, and apart from that, the high frequency and treble sound stages seem to have improved a bit as well. Now obviously I am saying all this after using these earphones for only a limited period of time, so I do plan on using them for a bit more time and coming up with a detailed full review on these. So yeah, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to look out for that video, but I'll leave you guys with that. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, feel free to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.